curly, curly curls, I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite buns with curls. Bun number 1, we all know it. We're using the seamless no tear hair ties, okay? We're pretty much always using those these days because we are trying to grow back all of that broken hair. I can feel a hair on my face. Oh, I got it. It's the worst when you can feel a hair on your face and you can't get it. So I'm gonna pull my hair up. Now with the curls, you can do it all up or you can leave some out. Let's leave some bang out because they're clean and curly and pretty. And when my hair's clean and I put it up in a bun, I like to leave out my bangs because obviously if it's greasy, I'm not gonna leave my bangs out. So I like to take advantage. Let me just move you guys up a bit so you can see the top of my head. Better. Okay. So we're gonna do our classic flip and twist. If there are any of these buns that you feel like you need a more in-depth tutorial on, head to my bun playlist. There are tutorials on all of these buns in depth that can help you if you're struggling. So we just take it in our one hand, pull it through, flip it, twist it, plop it, fluff it, and pull it. I just love buns with curly hair. And I mean, I don't do them a lot because when my hair's curled, I mean, I want to enjoy my curls, but then when I do it, I always am reminded of how much I love a bun with curly hair. And I just wish I had naturally curly hair so I could just have curly hair messy buns all the time. Love it, love it, love it. So that is our flip and twist bun, a classic. Can't go wrong with this bun. I know for a lot of you, it's a tricky one, but once you get it down, it becomes second nature. You don't even think about it, and it just creates like the perfect bun every single time, which is why I love that technique. All right, bun number 2, starting with a ponytail again. Make sure we got all the hair at the back. And for this one, we're gonna pull through, and I don't have to wrap it 3 times when I have curls. I only wrap it twice, so we just make our little loop, and then we pull the tail around to the front, and we open up the hair tie right here. We open it up and I just shove those ends in, and then we just fluff and pull again. It's that fluffing and pulling that really makes the hair look voluminous and big and stops you from having like a little Miss Trunchbull from Matilda bun on top of your head. Bun number 2. If you struggle with making really cute messy buns, I definitely encourage you to try messy buns in your curly hair because it just makes it so much easier. A little side bang action there. And one more bun, the most basic, the most easy. Let's try to keep our bangs up this time for a different look. Bringing all that hair up. We're still gonna have baby hairs fall out because like they're not gonna, my hair's too clean for those to stay back. So we'll just pull a few out, but not like a bang necessarily. So you notice I also try to avoid using a brush to put my hair up in a bun when I have curls. A, I don't want to brush my curls, and B, I don't want the base to be too tight. So this is our most beginner-friendly, easiest bun. I'm only gonna wrap it twice because again, with the curls, my hair has a lot of extra volume. I don't need to wrap it 3 times, but wrap it as many times as you need to make it tight. And then just make your little half bun there. And then we're just gonna pull it out and forward from different sections. And don't forget to pull it forward and back so you don't end up with like a little rainbow sausage on your head. Some of those ends are gonna come out if you pull a lot, which when my hair is straight, I don't love, but I do like it when my hair is curly. And there we go. Pull our base out a little. Bun number 3, done. All of them so fast, so quick, so easy, and look really pretty in curls. Thank you for watching today. I hope that helps. I know we love buns here, and I know some of you still struggle to get buns, so maybe this will be the time that you get the bun. Maybe the curls are the key for you, or maybe curls are just a fun new way for you to try putting your hair up in a bun that you haven't tried before. In any case, I hope that you found this video helpful. Hit notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, share my videos with anyone else who has hair like us, because I would love to grow this beautiful DIY hair school family we have here on YouTube. Until next time, bye guys.